Hello there! In this video we're going to warm up the voice with some fifth scales using the sounds mi, ma. I'll sing it a few times first so you know what to do, and then it's your turn. So let's warm up that voice! Woohoo! It's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. Mi ma mi ma mi ma mi ma ma. And so forth. All right. It's your turn. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that was it for today. Thank you for practicing with my video, and I hope I see you around on some of my other practice videos. And remember, just practice your voice, practice those skills, and your voice will improve. Okay, wish you lots of fun singing. Bye, singers.